So what's the UK abrochi memuha? Na when your car akwenshie bi enyo fo. Ana se adokita fo ahwe wa wan hwe Right claim betumi aboa wa ma wagisi kan pimpin bebre. Ya wo UK a lawyer fo etitru ana se ekuku damfo a betumi aboa wo afonko ama. Kosi se we sika no beba. Eno ani se wo be ko www.rightclaims.co.uk. Na wa fill wo form. Wo betumi afre yen wo number ya ewu figure ase. Say ya cancel your flight. And say when your flight delay for over don shremensa. May trek 3 hours. Enko bebia. Right claims betumi aboa ma ahanso wagisika. Right claims. It's as simple as that.
Green Select Glucometer from Costless Ventures. Safidi kitwaya etimimpo esho botomi eboa ma uhunu sugar level abribia. Wana ho diabetes anayarea hodwa emma sugar level. Esote wo brano no. Safidi ebe bo nka ye baby bia wo bia no wada won so akohu doctor ntem. Na wo dry betimi ma blood sugar no aye pepepe. With Green Select blood glucose monitoring system, you get your test results in 5 seconds. And you 5 seconds per now results are ready. And it's suitable for persons of all age. Na ne boa so de at the form of Call Costless Ventures now on 0205-915-315. Green Select Glucometer, the best. This advert has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
First, the young nine him say, Ghana, yen nomination point. Meaning the buy young in half and Adanias. And because we're not even nominated. Even nomination we did not get. So why are we even fighting in the first place? Every time nomination by no referee said, you better awards now will be a referee said, congratulations. A referee said, okay, the nomination is not by Ghana for count. It is as if say Afeni who's any count. And the master as happened no more so I was Ghanaian count. But from day one we've not been part of it, especially with the nomination. Nothing by the bomb Marinia. Yay, you be as in the cocoa pie said. I'm saying congratulations message to Benaboy Risking. I said baby your day almost 7 London. Over Stoneboy for instance. The way of Castle we bomb about Suya and I say I show mon crime and our Castle Ghana dear. I said, do you conclude but Professor Chese as I had in Samoa? I said, if for the system is no working. Samoa and not put Charles. So one of them says, I'm meaning so, and then the jobs in the building, they will fake in the morning. I don't know, man. Okay, first, Mama Yanko say, we Yanko the straight cry. I'm not Reagan, a Beef Nation president. In Ting the only Beef Nation president, or no, IT Nation president. And I realize the Event Nation president. Wait, Nadia, young name, see and count. Now, yeah, let's come back and check the reaction. I free and crop for back, especially the one between Samini and Stoneboy. Yeah, Shannon, and I own our Beef Nation president. Break it down. So far, reaction between Stoneboy and Samini. Has it been good? Has it been good? Yeah, for me, they say. Let me make reference to the first ever Twitter a free Stoneboy help buy the wing now buy. And the area director Richie Flex. Stoneboy Twitter I doing now buy and say. With all due respect, we're crying Kevin Taylor Crumble a lie. With all due respect. Na say na start na to as well. Samini response na. Response na ka dey no so to so na. Omo mo hwe me so what exactly Samini said. Na fe yen share down come yi. Em say ono dey be fine the brass na. Okay, so let's read Samini's response. And I'll say Ghana will be okay if we begin to keep it 100% with each other as artists, my G. It starts from being honest and calling a spade a spade. Do you think they disrespect Idibia like you disrespect Samini? Hashtag year of truth. Before you give extra fake fans to Nigeria, check yourself. Faker. That's your boy your boy faker. And as Stoneboy Suba, I say no disrespect. You just finished a Twitter beef with Shatter. Is it my turn now? We know each other personally. I cannot do this with you on social media. Stonebwoy nanka adewe nanka sanko jai. I say, sasa me maka obi si dabi, yes ya trend nasa. I say so bodan for be onto free adware and fire nakedness end time. I still think Stonebwoy shouldn't have responded to this.
Of course.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, because your point was Ghana there. Untimin can't accept this year. So you are shaking your head. Bam. You found any day. No, ignore it. But then, like Nana Reagan, you on the floor. Drop your point and let's see what we can do with it.
The brass of the so me feel say something like only point to be with Nelson now the responded to Stonebwoy tweet. Say Nipani fake. The Nigerians don't disrespect Two-Face in Libya and then I think say if we go online right now, we can get stories claim say somebody has done something like Two-Face Nakazan Onion. We could get some. Yeah, I don't understand why some Ghanaians make we say Nigerians for the Omon Kontokwa. I said they have everything 100% in their industry. No, some of them can
yeah.
If everything is good, I don't think some of them will pass through. So sir response now the by Nippon say or bought Nigerian for about say for holding us. Now of course, say Siano Omuno Mukita Sam Mantle. Here the debate me and so my idea in the public space. Here we are more artists especially sit back. Mon share nyama mo amokoli artists in Nigeria no. Omaye any nyama omoye ya etimi omo drew Grammys on mama omo yini. These are the important things. Anka wasanka bi anka buy and anka bekanka or responding to Stonebwoy tweeting Konogas, oh, the guys they do this and that and we are not doing this and that. That is how come our moment as a recognition. So make we two team up and do they make you stop they do ABC there. It makes sense. But this is not the time for you to make the guy as a only personal beef you know.
Yeah.
Oh, you want to make him look bad in front of the people, calling him fake. Or your fake say why then say what bad then or yeah then the man is fake. Say I say or Nigeria for about some omonya Grammys into a fake person. Into Sanke na ka tie say ade chain as na me fast am bow. Yes Two-Face in Libya win a Stonebwoy Babacho rest in peace dey anke dey anke okay. Omudi nkunim dey ama obi enko bomb abaso. No show moon crying no moon because of the fake na obi top from there. No figure na ha there enu na ebete bi mutimi sesa some deep. Mo artist ya mutimi yebi. Arewa to obi dey o pese obi ehun se o wunim no o ben no also came here ewom na nkunim dia ba na obi se o kan we ya hye omo nkran ka ne bonus so ne dey think I wanna ka wo ye such a veteran musician with all your experience anka you will take this opportunity to address nyama bi ma o be point out specifically say ebia Stonebwoy Shatawale Sarkodie ye nyanyama we yeni anomo no omo yese ne ma omo ko mani mu no enti yase fiti en na kro ye ma we nhye nkura na yese you don't come and lower your standards for some trends to be a menti as e fa hwe mbro
because today he was trending at number 1 or 2.
Yes, I say na say abo we friend wo YouTube na akwatra o na me be hype. No, some mini brand we found they say no brand I mean you will be yeah because ya kasa try to protect the brand before. It is as ono ajeja ne humu as they say dey wa ba from cry sometimes the nyama ni wo no ka hu baby o ka cry akwesi. This particular tweet ba o ka na akwesi say stone enti enjai Grammys say na make na ka o san ki discuss it then omo betimi aye dia ko but you say ye can Stonebwoy ye fake now ono sanko ono so you be o person ono ye back and forth and ono saba be BK bi and that's why be expose you on some level bi na fe akwa say you are washing your in public what I say na oh Stonebwoy anya ade and Stonebwoy sell out na ko ye nsem bebre na fe ade na hu hia na wo say ye me ya adwen cost na ye discuss no na ye jia no ato then we are discussing your personal beef. And the one who you are saying from our say media for and discussing and discussing your baby one. Sometimes they tend to forget say media no dey oh but some how support I can say we are artists now so now don social with them from one. Say media be bedding. On bra no make say oh some media dey social with them from oh enti America for mu bra na mo be hwe. Eh ya wa wo di juma bi wa wo ye juma wa wo ye bibi if you are not working right what you give us no and for hwe no and na yeso ye be bomu de wuro man for na koso ahwe.
That's true.
So sometimes it is not as if we love to promote bad things, but this said now on bet you see the way.
Yeah.
Opako portals mean na say.
Obiatro.
Obeka say nyansa sembi a be boama o kire bi Ghana artist bi we kwako win Grammys and can also media bi be fa atro. But who dey say bi o negative ni the old friend say is hunu no. And then I wo dey aba betu bedwem. And the yafa. Ubeka and Ajuma now by an enemy actual. And to media now certain when it comes to some of these topics now, it is a media, the media don't do this selling us at our area. I said you don't even know what they are about. It is your work that will take you there. And publicity, always have been saying this. Publicity doesn't start from any media house.
Yes.
It starts from you.
Yes. You started.
Yes, you started.
The media house
then the media
will,
yes. Onyo obi enya multimedia enya Despite enya Same Flex TV enya Zion Felix enya Meya Debra, because when you start and you lose good they will pick it, they will do it, they will have no choice. Until the next Shatawale Felix say or you're strong because at the point or ye juma no ma na so na so mba no nyom no crap no oba you'll be forced to go and play it.
Yeah.
But right now you're all relaxed, you're not doing anything. Most of you are now like yeah, video papa. Spend on your videos, spend in your productions, your plugins. What's the mean? Yeah, me the music better than. Who we are not trying. I didn't pass on a canoe trying. And I media no, and I want to radio so no, and I want exhibition, and I want yes, and I want why, and I want yes. Like what? Sir, the video name. Whiskey ni we mo na moto no omo ba ha they do promo me nko ya kra mako whiskey there da mako Burna Boy there da mako this dance artist here or Nigeria even say Pato Ranking Afro big dance mako le there da that's I mean mako le there da when they come here they work omo your plugins na see me na Victoria Kimani aba be fa Ghana ni aspire.
Yeah.
What do you think she wants to achieve? Shatabale who a fan base or Liberia? Ya young with this
okay.
50 year call Liberia saying
that corona.
Corona ben brass I mean. E wo wan say na corona na ba. COVID. E wo hold the dad say na COVID dey start here. Yan ye kran ko nrebi and ye ni nkrofo bi mu e kan ye ti abom. Akọ Liberia ho. Akọ you see fan base in there ye ejuma.
Nti Kimani dey on show COVID.
So no ba mo show.
The way I'm come on sem no enye mom for failures mom blaming any media house for their own failures. What they are doing when it comes to some of this international recognition, it is their mom failures na you almost out and you bia.
Okay. Beef Nation President Abie Keys Bebre na I'm say hit now there kasara no den pa. Ko chemo ho ono di Beef Nation achi. I mean ko chemo ho. But if you are online and if not share the link, remember to share the link because the discussion is very important. It should reach your favorite as well. Say the aftermath, the reaction of Ghanaian artists. I'm not sure we are even going to give you the details because we don't know even much than it is online. You can go online to get more. But the reactions among our Ghanaian artists, especially Stonebwoy Shatawale, after say Shatta Swabe can be. What have you in the said the mommy there Shatta can Jabo, what are you saying about the reaction of our artists? Ebro Biako winning award.
Oh, reaction they are not ready for Grammys. As simple as that.
Reaction
reaction it says Obianya ready. Obianya ready. Because nim kwan cry first nominate to be for Grammys. Omo kasa no sa de kire. Omo kasa no just nim kwan cry obi fa so enya nominations. Aha. the Messiah surprise is there. As Obian Zoom question, I am a cousin, who person could be a sin as you. And once or more casa, Samini dear, or case, Obi, disrespect, or you fake, respect Rene Grammys and Quanum because any uncles have been or better. Respect Rene Grammys.
And in real life.
Real life, no respect. Rene Grammys two verse in Libya now, or say Grammys, or say Grammys, the criteria, Grammys, our procedures. Obe Faswa, Ope say, ye nominate to as all year.
Okay.
Was standard bi wo ha e se umiti ansa kra e nya se otu ba bi to wonum bi akeke bi no ma fra se be kan no e se enema uhia wonum enema uhia no as a musician na e se wo ye professional no e se ni nyina wo put in place before you can be part of Grammys e di ntina aye so big say obi apese ye nominate no standard ne high. And it is our own respect and our Ghanaian media. Monkasa ye and our in massa. You don't know what you are talking about. And found baby. So I respect no one make an any award be open respect me pachawa kwa himfi. I want the whole corner respect me punish.
Ube treasure.
Ube treasure. If you got now you feel no be bow respect you. Hey, the me yan say, when I banner or moka obia and mean can acquire obi be fast or better call or benya nominations to crowd or Grammys. I no money me ya. Say did they know almost say they don't even know how they don't even know how media and beef Grammys and fat beef no shame. Anya she crown almost basic requirement to crash say it's either you are part of a record label or distribution company and as Anya require a management firm or man can say management you a team and management firm. Yeah. And yes, I 1,000 management one now matitinu kromo ani bi.
And sometimes most of the artist managers the nitty-gritty of the job no crack. The only man me calls. Yeah, reply social media message and the crowd from friend call I'll call you back. Which he won't even call you back.
The ABI was saying kwa busa artist no crowd on it.
Then yes, they are like in your mkoto kwasa. Only manager kasa okay I will call you back. On from back.
On time from and you know omunim de akọ. And the Ghana have minim artist bia or record label papa bia wa. And in there no ever disqualify omo from getting it. You need distribution company papa bia wa. And not so sad disqualify any any management firm papa bianto san wa ha xylophone media and or this xylophone music buy or no na
set up or yet structures na
and dinka xylophone media na xylophone music and then nke betimi I'll go for Grammy, almost friend recording academy. As I registered with the recording academy, and it's all registered with the recording academy as a member. No, now all the nominal offers almost consider for nomination. Atum, and it is need be Ghana. The other way I obey to me, I say. Fan for Ghana, maybe I will go outside Ghana. As I said, Nigeria for the year. Or me to Sony music. Anyone like big distribution companies, I work outside Nigeria. Or I register with the academy and do file on their behalf. That's how it works. Engineers will be able to do your beef, will be respected, and obey nomination. No, we nomination. Yamfa respect engine Grammys. And they hold them stress I mean so on stone boy was some or onka. But more kasa or respecting one Yamfa I didn't call Grammys. So Grammys are some pound of person or can dia and then I want some maybe never be or define there or their fan chain or their fan chain cry. And to me the America was say or my person Grammys as some Miss Rom or Munsia de Kaka.
Okay.
Grammys are by actual. It started in 1958. Just Ghana cries just 1 year older than Grammys.
Yes.
Grammys are
Ghana did 64. And a Grammys are
63.
Hey. So the Grammys near country years.
Yeah. Now it's media and couple. Media and products man. Grammys in the almost started crying. No more friend of gramophone awards.
Okay.
No gramophone awards and son or more yes or more trying to short to more like a nickname.
Yeah, okay.
And a Grammys in the bit.
But Satan, no music.
No gramophone here. And the gramophone awards. And I almost Nikki no Grammys. And a bear Grammys awards. I check and almost standard and is almost me maintaining so much say still respect now a war in about 63 years ago no it's still there. So I respect in the in fact almost to about almost members are almost voting for songs in the album of the year ni bibia. Some of no e ba be drew all the record label you know almost part of the competition you know. All the member musicians you know almost what they are to about you don't have to take you don't have to take it. They even try to say that as much as possible at that time no men friends with them be not almost influence who vote
yeah because them quite friends
yeah why over to many panel because or only no yeah into the even that one or my find ways to minimize it. In the standard near very high and far respect to Moshe, I want the own yam and it misread or more per se or more Grammys in any Satan some more can Satan some more can you know tough and chain.
Satan to say
Only or not so no or can't and a media no MY and I
shut as a media name one.
Sorry, I of the day now.
America system only media platform that
yes, all my
channels are my reactions. America,
fast I didn't watch it intimacy.
Not my head, won't come there.
That's what names I say. What's it? Just more radio, so no, problem more problems now.
And I
can't wow.
Man like shut up.
And most the black rasta post go face about beef. Rasta, I dare me say.
Almost sell business now.
That be me almost said I think no months here. Black rasta when your man o post Facebook na beef. Pointing out the wrongs for them to be corrected. It's beef. It is because we want to correct the wrongs and get those structures. And any structures. If we don't beef the system, if we don't make sure we point out the wrongs and correct them, there will not be structures.
Okay,
yeah, and the me concluding Mr. Satane Omo Makan. So Omo per se, Omunya Grammy nominations. Omo per se Omo part of Grammys. Omo working towards getting the professional standard not in place. And no never more mako. Say respect to this minimis no count. Just put the standard in place. Okay. Find a record label either in Ghana here or outside Ghana. Now omo any part of the recording academy normal submitted works okay. If it is good enough, you can get nominations.
Thank you. Chamo in team do the Solomon or not so Enna or dear Akovieno. Anamati, the reaction of our artists after be a winning award. Or chilling, young artist, no reaction. As interesting. Oh, now beat me actually.
Mammy, did kind correct here. When you say bad publicity, it doesn't affect you winning award. If it does,
in fact, let me say this. Artist needing a million figure about some kai. No, I think I can go pull it out. Train now made work about this bad publicity thing. Not what they are twice. There is this information about an artist. And maybe a chum or Yawa awards no, Grammy awards no.
Drake.
Is it Drake? No, I'm not sure.
Kanye West cry.
Yes, Kanye West. I think Kanye West.
Yes.
Yes, Kanye West did a video of himself peeing on the Grammy and saying a lot of things about them. They still gave him an award.
Of what an comedy band.
It's not me, Babe Buono. As if I knew.
Brasa and American bad publicity. Whether you can say, Sebi, what did you be at help? Wakawe, why we? Share, you will chrome her saying, VGM says, Stonebwoy and Shatawali, Egu Mufi. With their actions, so they banned them from the scheme. Without even considering their works. More collaborations, the crowning put. Yes, crab your money now off. Which shouldn't be so. Kanye West or no the award Nankasa na Eberman award Nimpul
to WC.
To WC mo.
Eh, ne very months.
Say shegu so na crown. The following year, they didn't consider that action.
I'm not sure the academy will even mention it.
They were rather looking at the
work.
Yes.
And not your reactions.
Yes.
And that is our problem here.
You understand? A year na reaction no. A human and the right connection. Basame, Rocky Dauni so far has been the only artist from Ghana winning a Grammy nomination. Now, all can wrong. Rocky Dauni does not have that huge record label backing. So, Okana Storia, what he usually says is that the distribution company, because they were based in the US. They played a major key role in his nomination. Ghana Media. Now Ghana Media. How relevant was Rocky Dauni in Ghana's media?
That's the point.
When was the last time I would say Rocky Dauni anyway?
And I will be part of your story.
You see, it was that same trend. And Nana Samini, I tried so be follow. When he had a deal with Loud City Music, who produced his Untamed album, that was the same line I know Otuli. But the thing is, you need more than that. Go check it, Burna Boy. When Burna Boy released African Giant, or submitted, he felt he lost to Ajele Kijo.
Yeah. And I remember he said he'll come back.
He will come back. Now that's Ode African Giants. Now they Twice as Tall to Honor. Now checking the number of people that contributed on Twice as Tall. You would understand why he named it Twice as Tall. PDD on your project is no joke. Sony Music on your project is no joke. Yes, you can have the good works, but say we need the right connection. You always lose out. When it comes to this game, you always lose out. Now, Samini, I am very, very disappointed. And now, Kokusmo Kyle, what's the online hating me? Bruh, when you're serious.
You are disappointed in Samini?
Very, very much.
On what account? On
the account that Samini, who releasing Untamed album, one of the finest albums in Ghana. But Samini, you tried to submit or try to say obey sa Grammy campaign or try to say obey sa Grammy campaign with Untamed album. And fact,
okay,
what I expected somebody like Samini to do was to come back strong, because probably na over Rocky Dauni Klaus now. It was you, Samini.
Yeah. After
Rocky Dauni, who was the other biggest artist and came to me a picture for Grammys, it was you, Samini. So we hear Untamed album now, I'm fan. And I'll take what die. And let's look at 2020. 2021 you honor Burna Boy for Grammys. It was his works in 2020.
Yeah.
2020 when Corona was on its peak.
Yeah.
I will be a Johnny. Stonebwoy release the album. Burna Boy release the album in 2020 now Obi a Johnny no. Wo Shatawale who see moon release it. So you don't complain. You have no cause to complain. Say media na I contribute to BBC. Say media na come say, but you didn't give the media anything to talk about other than beef. Aside those songs, when you did release, yes, some people talked about it, but majority of whatever you did was hitting at this person or that person. When Samini is talking about who is fake, Mirror sa ho. Because I mean, idea what the episode crack no popo. On one kasampo to minka. One episode released the Spa Junkie album. Samini you compromise 10,000 Ghana cedis album na say. Ebe seen 2021 money away. 10,000 Ghana cedis. 10,000 Ghana cedis.
So I know the next show business.
No, that's I mean. No, you see.
Now they boy.
No, that's I mean. That's I mean. When you get make us episode, the cast as same way.
What you wanna be a massa?
They did not say about. That's I mean about. One say no, we obedient. Sadi and I event guide. You understand? But back door. You see, you try to settle some of these things. Okay. Yeah. Once I mean you promised 10,000 Ghana cedis at episode album launch. Back door, he hit you up. You never mind the guy. The guy had to lie on 5 consecutive platforms just to cover you. Yes, until presenters no more scales, no. They got to episode and episode opened up say he has still not received, and in fact because of sad time, because of sad situation, offer with Samini won't fa. That was the end of the relationship between episode. If we are talking about one huge high grader a episode, because of Samini, episode had a bad blood with the SM fans. Ama to the it even went to the extent trade fair Niamenitia. Episode was trying to get on Samini first. Kidi omo man performing. When the guy got on stage with J microphone, omo to 2 blocks was speaking.
Oh, because of Oka say
yes. 4 episode today he will confirm. And then here once, then here twice on this side they didn't. On full state no to 2 blocks was speaker Snechi. Wow. On no crap on Befre or faker. On Befre or faker. Samini, have you apologized to episode? No. And so I didn't channel because of that. Episode had a problem with his management when he released Bad Junkies. Because of this same, when you now can contributing factors between the episode, Ebusu was here. Because after Spa Junkies, that was his rise to fame. But because he had all these things, he had to break with his management team. Because the eyes and the management, half of them were supporting what Samini was doing. Because they felt say yes, episode coca in the public. Only when they asked episode if he has received the money, Oka said no. Ohana Samini koko pie because you know how the media react. Na bra coca we na wanko yewe, na coca na wanko yewe. Na Samini no, o this same way. Even if you have a problem with Stonebwoy, what they about social media? I am mystery because one a Stonebwoy ni Kelvin Boy ni a problem during lockdown. And now Canada buy say even if they have a problem, it is not on social media that we solve these kind of problems because they are family. So if you call Stonebwoy a son, why should you come and do this on social media?
When you are publicly declaring
and even will problem when you Stonebwoy happy. When you go back, when you take back, it is because of Assassin Sound Clash. When Stonebwoy called him a sellout on stage.
And then Stonebwoy to go for the sellout.
Because
why are you guys not talking about
that? No, because that's I mean.
Why do you have to call your father sellout?
Yes, fair enough. Stonebwoy goofed, but that's I mean. This is the situation whereby prior to that Sound Clash, Samini, you were having now he says Stonebwoy bit by bit. After sound after sound clash.
No, don't use bits.
Meba, interview Samini, no. You said it point blank. Say, oh, it was part of the game and it was for the hype. So in the hype, you can hit at somebody and at the end of the day, you guys will settle behind. Samini wakebi, Shatawala akebi, Stonebwoy muni akebi, Sakode muni akebi. Say sometimes they do it for the hype. So if it was for the hype and the guy said something that you were not cool with, you Samini Aoka say we don't wash our dirty linens in public. Do you come and do this? Well, when you now goes to cement the fact say time on Shatawale be financing, it wasn't Shatawale Samini was targeting. He was targeting Stonebwoy because Shatawale be kind no can say that Stonebwoy be keep not their born. I say Shatawale didn't hold him when you concrete thing now because Stonebwoy didn't have intimidate one. Satan now Stonebwoy is why he busy. It's that Stonebwoy share out of the respect Stonebwoy has with Samini. Okay. That is why I think say he responded to Samini's tweet because he was confused because he didn't know whether Samini was looking for the hype or was really serious.
Okay. Roland Amate send a watch it there. I do pencil benim na for him na and then so conditioning wow.
When you eat it, why is
it? Then why she eating now?
And the person me ja.
Then why she eating now? Then is I.